سلام و درود خدا بر شما و دوستان. امروز اومدیم با یه ویدیو خفن، اومدیم با معرفی 4 تا از بهترین ربات‌های خونگی و شخصی. اسمش رو من همین الان براتون میگم. اولی ربات ایمو، بعدی وکتور، آیلیک و ربات سگ داستان اسباب بازی ها، مدل کنترلیش. بریم سراغ ویدیو. Here we go. بریم سراغ ویدیو. اولین ربات که اسمش بهتون گفتم ربات ایمو، که بریم ویدیوشو ببینیم و توضیحاتشو ببینیم، اما توضیحاتش انگلیسیه و ببینیم که چی میشه.
Today we got this new adorable friend. Emo is a small AI-powered robot that can interact with you and express emotions. It's been on my radar for a while and I'm really excited to finally get my hands on him. So let's begin. We have this sticker for Emo and a rubber mat. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box, we have Emo himself, a charging dock, a power adapter, RGB LED light, home station, a quick start guide, and an extra charging cord. Let's set him up. Take this magnetic pad and connect the charging station to it. Take a charging cord and power it. And let's place Emo on the charging pad. Here we go, he's alive. Emo is about the size of a coffee mug, and his big expressive face makes him adorable. First, we need to connect him to our Wi-Fi network. To do that, we need an Emo Pet app. Download it and open it. Connect the Emo to it and set up a Wi-Fi and other details like country and time zone. Now, we need to connect Emo to his home station. To do that, just press and hold this home button for 10 seconds. It will connect to Emo automatically. Let's join this rubber mat pad. This one is only to limit its play area. Now that Emo is set up, let's test some of his features and interact with Emo. Emo loves his headphones. If you remove his headphones, he will be angry. Now enjoy his other interactions. on the line.
خب دوستان، ربات بعدی یعنی ربات وکتوره که بریم ویدیوشو ببینیم.
Hey Victor, wake up.
حرف بزنید. یه مطلب هم داره اگه اینجا ببینیدش، مطلب سیاهیه با اون بازی میکنه، میتونید براش پرت کنید که
Hey Victor, play with your cube.
خیلی ربات خفنیه. ولی اون دیگه مثل ربات قبلی امو نیست و امو رو باید خودمون بذاریمش تو شارژ تا شارژ بشه، ولی این وقتی خودش بفهمه که شارژش داره تموم میشه خودش میره توی جای شارژش و شارژ میشه. برید اینجا خیلی نموکرد خفنیه، عاشق این بکنشه و خیلی دوستش داره. این ربات هم مثل اینا سنسوری داره که وقتی به ارتفاع زیاد برسه به پرتوه برسه سنسوری داره که نمیذاره بیفته و خودشو به عقب میکشه.
That's me. Hey Victor, what's the weather?
21 degrees and sunny.
هوا رو نشون میده.
Hey Victor, take a photo. Hey Victor, I have a question. Who is Jarvis?
JRVIS. Edwin Jarvis is a supporting character in the Marvel Comics titles Iron Man, The Avengers, and Spider-Man.
Hey Victor, go back to your charger.
سراغ ربات بعدی. خب دوستان، ربات بعدی ربات آیلیکه که بریم ویدیوشو ببینیم.
Meet Ilik, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Ilik comes with 3 touching areas. Try petting his head, belly, and his back. Don't touch his back when he's upset, or Ilik will hit you with his sword, gun, or taser. Of course, you can fight back. Ilik is not always so strong. He is afraid of heights, so remember to comfort him when he's upset. You don't need to keep an eye on him. He will play around when he gets bored, but sometimes he will get in trouble. can connect him to your Mac or PC to unlock more content. Ilek wants to be helpful. He can set a countdown timer to help you track with your work. And he loves to play games with you. You can snap 2 Ileks together to start the magic moment.
Cheers! Oh no!
Not enough? How about this? Meet Ilek, a little desktop companion bot with endless fun. Ilek comes with
بریم ویدیو بعدی، یعنی ربات سگ.
You're still playing with the same toy of this kind? Why not have a look at today's star? Following duck sound, come and see what it can do. With the intelligent following function, it will follow you wherever you go. It is really great. It also has a super ability. That is, it can stretch out and draw back its flexible body at any time, which provides you with great fun. You want to learn programming? The duck sound can also do it.
Will it follow my order?
That is for sure. As long as you can call it, it will come to you.
Can I have a touch?
Of course you can. Touch it, and it will show you its talent. It is so clever that it can also teach English and tell stories. It will accompany you.
خب دوستان، این بود از این ویدیو. امیدوارم خوشتون اومده باشه. لایک و سابسکرایب فراموش نشه. اون زنگوله پایینم فعالش کنید. کانال روبیکای منم دنبال کنید تا از اخبار یوتیوبم با خبر باشید. بای بای.